In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to relight and enhance an image in ClipDrop. First, open your web browser and go to the ClipDrop website. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the Tools section. Hovering there will reveal a set of options. From that menu, click on Relight. This opens the Relight workspace, which is designed to simulate realistic lighting on your photo and give you quick visual control over how it looks. Now upload your image. You can select a file from your device or drag and drop it into the window. After you choose your image, give it a moment to upload. Larger or high-resolution files may take a bit longer, so just wait until the preview fully appears before you start adjusting anything. With your image ready, you'll see controls for different ways to shape the lighting. Presets are a great starting point if you want quick, professional-looking results with minimal effort. Try a preset, then fine-tune it for your scene. Ambient lighting adjusts the overall mood and brightness across the entire image, which helps tie everything together and prevent harsh transitions. Light 1 and Light 2 let you position individual light sources, move them around to see how the direction changes shadows and highlights. You can also add your own light to achieve a very specific look, like a soft fill from one side or a dramatic spotlight effect. As you refine, watch the edges and skin tones or product surfaces to keep things natural, and dial back intensity if it starts to look too harsh. ClipDrop also includes additional tools that you can use alongside relighting. If you need a cleaner composition, you can remove the background to isolate your subject. Use cleanup to quickly fix small imperfections or distractions. Uncrop can extend the canvas to give your image more breathing room, while upscale improves detail for sharper output. If the scene calls for a different environment, replace background to instantly swap in a new setting. And if you're preparing your image for a specific platform, the resizer can help you match the dimensions you need. When you're happy with the result, click on Download. Your edited image will be saved to your device, ready to share, publish, or use in your project. That's all there is to it. Go to ClipDrop, open Relight, upload, adjust your lights, optionally clean up or transform the image, and download when you're done. Enjoy creating beautifully lit images with just a few clicks.